So, Maverick started doing a weird thing on me, and I don't know how to change this, but I really want to change it back to how it was, but I'm going to go ahead and activate the lane assist system here. Okay, I get her up to speed. Actually, I get off like soon here, but we'll see if I have time for it to do it. But it's the tone that it does. It's a weird tone. It's not what it was before. See if it does it here. It's when it goes red. Here it goes. Okay. Now it's back to the original tone. Wow, that is so weird. Okay, so you hear that, right? That's the normal sound it's been doing ever since I picked up the car and drove it. And I've been driving it. I'm almost at 4,000 miles now. Kind of hard to see there, but you know I hit the 3,000 update from my video I did. But almost at 4,000, so I'll be making a video on it here this weekend some point. So, yep, you can see there, 4,000. So, it's really weird, because I had, so that tone is what it normally does. I'm sure that's what it does with everybody else's as well. Making sure this person's not following me. But yeah, like, it does that, when it goes red, it just does that nice, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of calm, kind of soothing. But it's just like that boom 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 boom. Well, I'm driving around today giving my normal Uber carries and stuff like that, and I was transporting someone down to the airport near here, and I'm on the highway, just thought, yeah, sure, good time to turn on the lane assist and adaptive cruise control. And so I'm cruising along, and it goes red like that. I didn't notice it, so I didn't shake the wheel, and it went red, and all of a sudden, it scared the crap out of me. All of a sudden, it wasn't that boom, 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 boom. It was just kind of like a, or it sounded like the tone, or the audio system, whatever that is, the tone, the chime, sounded like it was just totally, like, melting away. Like, it just sounded dead. It sounded like something like a computer system that was dying. And I was just like, what is up with it? Thought it was a one-time thing. No, it kept going every time I did. I did it like 5 times at least, and it was the same thing every single time. And all day I've been trying to figure out, how do I get it back to the thump 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 thump, and there's no way to. I didn't do anything. I didn't change anything. I've just had the truck off for a while here now, and now it's back to normal. So I don't know what happened there. If you guys have ever experienced something like that with your Maverick, please, 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 please drop a comment, because I've been looking online, I'm looking everywhere. Nothing hints at that problem at all, or the tone like being different than the standard tone that it is out of the factory, which is that you just heard. So let me know, drop a comment, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, I'll keep you guys updated if it ever does it to me again. I hope not, because like I said, the other tone it did today scared the bejeebers out of me. Like, I was like, crap, what? Like, I know it's a small thing, but like, I don't know, it could indicate, if that's, the chime's gone bad, maybe the lane assist or adaptive cruise control, there's something wrong with that. Like, you just never know. So, oh, sweet, I had a deer crossing the road by me. That's cool. That never really happens. I mean, I live right next to a park, but but yeah, so let me know, drop a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like as always, we're almost to 100 subscribers, which is really, really crazy and awesome. We get to 100 subscribers, it's literally at 99. I keep refreshing it and checking every single hour, but as soon as we get to 100 subscribers, I'll make a dedication and appreciation video for that for you guys. So yeah, just let me but like I said, drop a comment and everything. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.